Hey everyone, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have the FNTCASE, and it is FNTCASE, and it is a case for the iPhone 16 Pro. I think that's what it's called. And so this is what the case looks like. It's nice and clear. It looks like it comes with a little plastic peeling thing on it. So there, that's what it has on it there. So let's try this out on the phone. This is what the phone looks like. This is the new phone. I haven't even set it up yet. So it's still at the hello part. I don't know, can you see that? Yeah, like that. It doesn't do anything. But let's put this in here and see how it fits into this case. Wow, that's a tight fit. Okay. Well, that's in there and it's not coming out. So it fits good. You can see it fits good. It's got the little MagSafe thing on the back. It's got the place for the little finger, whatever this is here, that camera thingy that it's got on there. And it's got the on-off button place, volume, or that action button, volume up and down, are all lined up correctly. Pretty sweet, nice case, and it's got a little bit of a lip, you can see there, so that's good. So if you drop it, you won't break it, hopefully. So that's really cool. So nice case, and I've got it, and it fits and good. So I don't know how they were able to find these cases, make these cases so quick before the product even shipped, but very cool. Thumbs up.